All right, hello everybody. Thank you for joining. I am Riley with the T Storm Chasers, and we're going to take a look at your forecast. But before we do, here is a brief word from our sponsors at Cube Portable Storage.
What are you doing?
Decluttering?
Moving? Remodeling? In need of temporary storage, emergency cleanup, or just need to declutter? Cube Portable Storage has the perfect solution. Rent your Cube Portable Storage container today.
And don't forget, they got roll-off dumpsters for the other stuff. Call Cube Storage for all your moving needs.
All right, good afternoon, everyone. Happy Tuesday out there. Today is February 24th, 2026, and let's dive into our video. And let's go ahead and look here at what we have going on currently, and there is actually some rain showers to go over across our region over here in southeastern South Dakota. Mitchell area, seeing some rain showers, and that is moving in a easterly direction. And then there's also some more rain showers out here in southern Minnesota, out towards Jackson, up towards Mankato, and then into Iowa, places like Spencer. And that is where we are seeing some rain showers currently. Down into Nebraska as well, southern Nebraska, seeing some rain showers as well. And then for central South Dakota, even the Pierre area, seeing some light rain showers as well. And then going out in western South Dakota, this is what we're looking at, some light rain showers as well. Scattered and spotty in nature, but it's something worth noting. Not a lot of rain accumulation will be found out of this, kind of just enough to wet the sidewalks out there, but it's at least something. We could definitely use the moisture. And so let's go ahead and look at our temperature map now. So we are at 45 degrees in Sioux Falls. That is about 10 degrees above average for this time of the year. We're at 43 in Huron. We're at 28 in Aberdeen. It is a little bit cooler up in northeast South Dakota, 29 in Sisseton. And then over in western South Dakota, we're at 43 in Pierre, 46 in Faith, 52 in Winter, and 49 in Rapid City. Down into Nebraska, we are warmer. We're quite a bit warmer. We're at 51 in Valentine. We're at 59 in North Platte. We're at 58 in Grand Island. We are at 54 in Norfolk. We are at 49 in Omaha. Into Iowa, we're at 40 in Des Moines. We're at 35 in Mason City, 50 in Spencer, 54 in Sioux City, 45 in Iowa City. Into Minnesota, we're at 34 in Minneapolis, 27 in Wilmer, 35 in St. Cloud. We're at 31 in Rochester, 36 in Mankato, 45 in Worthington. So we're going to dive into the latest, everything that you need to know in your forecast ahead here. We have snow chances, we have a temperature roller coaster, and we have much more to get to here in just a moment. But first, I wanted to go ahead and let you guys know about something brand new to us here at T Storm Chasers. We are launching a new live call service from basically how it works is when severe weather happens with tornadoes or severe thunderstorms or flash floods. We are launching a system where for only $15 a year, you can have this service available to you 24/7, 365. And what this is when we get tornadoes or severe thunderstorms or flash flood warnings, you'll get a live call from us at giving you guys a live up warning that basically says that there is being a severe weather warning issued for your immediate area when the phone call is within 10 seconds of a severe weather warning. So this is our life-saving alert system is what we're calling it. And so be sure to sign up for this. This could save, hopefully that's the main goal here, is saving lives. And sign up today at tscalert.org for more details and for signups. All right, so as we play the latest on the European model, this is giving you guys a good idea of what we can expect for the weather. Today, again, we are seeing some light rain showers across the area, but not really expecting much out of that. Now, as we head into tomorrow, we are watching the potential here, again, for that system that we've been talking about for about a week now. And it does look like this system is going to occur tomorrow during the day. And here it is across the region, Nebraska, South Dakota mainly, and then eventually into Iowa. It does look like, a mix of rain and snow here. We're looking at mixed precip, and that is going to be the story of this forecast ahead. Now, as we go into Wednesday night, again, it's going to move into Iowa and eastern Nebraska. Sioux Falls definitely could see some snow out of this, though, but we're not expecting much accumulation across the board, across the region. We're not expected to see snow accumulation. Really, all we're seeing is a trace to maybe an inch. That is all we're seeing out of this system. So, looking at a pretty minor system overall. Now, the thing is, though, it could still create some travel problems when snow is falling. You can still get travel visibility reductions, and some slippery conditions could still occur with snow and visibility concerns. And so just be mindful of that tomorrow if you are out and about, if you're traveling. Be on the lookout. Be prepared for this event. Now, after tomorrow, Thursday, we're going to dry things out again, and then same thing on Friday. So Thursday and Friday, we're going to get a break, and it's going to be warmer. We're going to see warmer temperatures. But as we head into your weekend on Saturday morning, we are looking at another chance of some snow here. We're looking at a system moving into our region on Saturday, the last day of February, and it looks like could bring some snow across South Dakota, southern Minnesota, and northern Iowa is what we're looking at here currently. And as it stands now, it does look like Sioux Falls would get some of this, would see some snow out of this. And so that is something we're keeping a close eye on. We'll look at exact amounts here in just a moment. But be mindful of this weekend for travel plans, and there is, again, going to be the possibility, and it's looking more and more likely, that we're going to be seeing a system of snow coming through our region on Saturday. And then Sunday, we get another break before possibly another system by Monday. So this takes us out to Monday, the 2nd of March. There you look. I mean, looking at this map, it does look like mixed precip once again for our region. This is next Monday into Tuesday. And so be mindful of that as well. It does look like we could see another system even next Monday into Tuesday. So it does look like we are going to be seeing an uptick in activity, and a more active pattern looks to occur here as we head into the next week or so. And now let's take a look at the snowfall outlook for our region. And if we play this out, heading into tomorrow, again, you can start to see the accumulations start to add up tomorrow. Very spotty, though, in nature across South Dakota and Nebraska. As you can see, it's very spotty. But there is some spots that could see 1 to 2 inches out here in southwestern South Dakota, even the Black Hills region. And maybe even central South Dakota could see a pocket of 1 to 2 inches here from Pierre towards Mitchell and Chamberlain. And then for Sioux Falls, we're not looking at much accumulation here. We're looking at, again, a trace of an inch. So just a dusting, essentially, is what we're looking at for Sioux Falls. Now, the big story is going to be this weekend. What are we going to see exactly for snow? Again, we have that chance on Saturday. As we play this out, this is the map on Saturday. You see how it starts to change on Saturday. Northern South Dakota, in particular, is seeing snow here, 1 to 3 inches, maybe even 4 inches potentially. This is kind of the pocket that we're looking at. Basically from about Buffalo over towards Faith, over towards Mulbridge, down towards Pierre, and then over towards Brookings and Highway 12, and then over into southern Minnesota. There's going to be a narrow band here of around 1 to 4 inches is kind of what we're looking at right now. That's kind of the ballpark. Sioux Falls could see about an inch, a trace to an inch, I would say, at this point. Now, these amounts can still change. We're still 5 days away, so a lot can still change with this, but as of right now, this is what we're looking at, and that is the latest of what we have for the snowfall outlook. Now, as we take a look at the temperature forecast over the next few days, today, again, a nice day overall, 40s and 50s across the region. Today, again, has been a nice day out there. Now, tomorrow, we're going to cool things back down for the eastern half of the region, back into the 20s and 30s. Sioux Falls at 36. Now, you go out west of Sioux Falls and southwest of Sioux Falls, it gets significantly warmer. So it does look like tomorrow, it's not going to be cold for everyone. West and southwest of Sioux Falls is going to be still really warm. We're talking 50s and 60s for tomorrow. And then how about Thursday? Well, we're going to warm things back up across the entire region, and we're going to be seeing a return to the 40s and 50s for daytime highs. It's going to be a really nice day, even some 60s down in Nebraska. Overall, a really nice day, it looks like, for Thursday, 52 in Sioux Falls. And then how about Friday? Well, Friday looks even better. Have a look at this forecast for Friday. It is going to be an absolutely beautiful day, it looks like, with temperatures widespread 50s and 60s across the region. Sioux Falls could hit 60 on Friday. Rapid City could hit 60 as well. 60s down into Nebraska, and it's going to be just a beautiful day on Friday. Hopefully you guys will be able to get out and enjoy that nice weather, because after Friday, we're going to fall again, and we're going to start to fall in temperatures back into the teens and 20s and 30s for our region. Sioux Falls back at 30 degrees by Saturday, and overall a much colder forecast and a much colder weekend ahead. Sunday looks about the same as Saturday, really. We're seeing 20s and 30s once again for Sunday. Sioux Falls at 27, 20s in Minnesota and Iowa. And no, I do want to mention, at least for Rapid City and out west, Sunday will be warm, 40s and 50s in the far west. But then on Monday, looks like we might start to warm back up a little bit on Monday. Looks like 30s in the east, 40s and 50s out to the west. Mid 50s it looks like for Rapid City. Sioux Falls looks to be around 40. And that's going to be it's going to take us through Monday of next week. So that's going to be it for this video. Hopefully you guys did enjoy. One last thing I wanted to mention, for any sponsorship opportunities, if you're looking to become a sponsor with T-Storm Chasers, we do have openings, so be sure to reach out to us on Facebook and any of our social platforms, and also our phone number. With that being said, thank you guys for watching. Be sure to hit that like button and drop a comment down below, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Ring those notifications so you don't miss any of our content. And also check us out on Facebook, X, Instagram, and TikTok as well. Thank you guys for watching.